We have had a great experience with Guardian Roofing. We started off with a couple of problems a year ago that were caused by another company, and Guardian came out. They were on time. Their technicians and their people introduced themselves, so I knew exactly who they were and how long they were going to be there and what they were going to accomplish and if they were going to be able to do it in one visit. Guardian was able to go up on top of the roof. They were able to take care of all the problems, which had actually included damage to some of the roof vents that were already up there, and they were causing a leak into our attic. So they did a great job. We're very, very happy with the results, and we've actually booked them again this year for a couple of other issues that we have. Guardian Roofing is a terrific company. We highly recommend them. I do all the time.